In this video, we will be reviewing social management in Lighthouse Business Management System, also known as Lighthouse BMS. The social management feature will allow you to add accounts such as Facebook, Yelp, and Google business accounts. Once you're logged in, select Social on the left. Once on the screen, you will have three options available: Post Scheduler, Social Accounts, Analytics. To add an account, select Add Account. You can select from your Facebook business page and Twitter. Select one of the options and enter your account name. In this example, we will link a Facebook business page. You will need to grant permission to Facebook before you are able to utilize this feature, then select Save when completed. You will then be able to select Post Scheduler. To schedule a post to your audience, select Add Content. Add what you would like to share about your business and upload an image if you would like to. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to select Instant Post or Schedule Post. Selecting Schedule Post, you will be able to select which time and date you would like the post to be set to, and you'll also be able to select if you would like to repeat the post. If this is a recurring post, you'll be able to select the frequency of when it will post. You can select daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, and then set an end date if you want this to stop posting after a certain amount of time. When you are completed, select Schedule. This will then post instantaneously or whenever you scheduled the post for. If you select Analytics, you will be able to view how many people have viewed your page during a particular time frame. The time frame is set on a weekly basis, however you can change it to view different weeks. Scrolling down on the page will allow you to view how many posts were made, the likes, shares, comments, how many people this post has reached, engagement, and a rate percentage for each post. On the right, you'll be able to view a chart on how many ratings, likes, shares, comments, and engagements you received. If you need to delete an account, navigate to Accounts, then select the X after the name of the business page. This will confirm that you would like to remove the account from Lighthouse BMS. You can re-add the account at any time. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and thank you for watching.